Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm cleaning a shower. You can see there is the results of a lot of hard water. You can barely see it too, especially where the water was. Same on the tiles. So I'm trying 3 different products along my way. I already sprayed some of this one. Don't worry about this. I'd use an old bottle. It's technically a rust remover. We're supposed to blend 25%, the rest is like a 50%, is a little stronger. So then I can give you the name of the product. It's called Aqua Rust. And I already sprayed on it because I did a pretty good results in my previous usage. And now here I have this technically is an alkaline cleaner. It's very like a 20% solution. It's like an Alka Bright, Black Max that you normally use for air conditioning coil. I'm gonna try and see which one give me the best results out of the 3 to remove those soap. See the soap Scum there? Yeah, so let's take a look and let's spray. I know it's pretty good, the lime away, especially I'm cleaning the shower head right here, the handles, all this stuff. It does give a great result like that, all the build up. So let's work on that. But for the glass, I've tried to find the quickest and fastest way to remove a build up from hard water. So anyway, let me spray some of this, the rust remover and do like 1/3 of the window. See the higher part where the water didn't reach is not as bad. So really you can see the hard water. It's not really due to the soap. I guess there's a very heavy water in this area. Now of course I'm gonna check the tiles too since I'm doing it. And we'll see what's going on. Now, second one is the lime away. There's more of it, so I'm gonna need to spray on it. And third one is the black marks. And let's see, I keep them a little away from each other. I don't want them maybe to interact. That's the black marks. That's my alkaline cleaner. Well, now it's pretty good to remove degreaser and stuff. So 3 different products. That's the rust removal, that's the lime away, and that's my alkaline cleaner. And now I'm gonna scrub this one. Now you get to see it for a little bit. The same on the tiles. You can really feel like the grit from the buildup. Gonna use the other side of the sponge. I don't think this won't work. The first one. I think the lime away might be my best option. Now I'll go back to the Alka Bright. And then I'm rinsing and see which one was the fastest and what results I got. Let it soak for a little bit. I'm gonna rinse it and we'll see what happened. Yes, by far the rust remover didn't do anything. Lime away, big difference. And the Alka Bright surprisingly did pretty good. But I think by far I'm gonna continue this project. Okay, let me rinse now the lime away. You can see the results. Guess hot water will be better. A big difference, honestly. I mean, even there especially, you can really, even on the tile it's gonna good job. So I'm gonna continue, but mainly you see like on the chrome, there was already started having all the deposits. Everything came out, it looks almost brand new. Just one single spray and I kind of rub it on. Okay, that's all. Yeah, by far my choice for this project is gonna be the lime away. And they have a cheaper version, a little more diluted at $1.03 for like $1.25, but it's not as good. It's like a green bottle also, but it's like $4 at Walmart, 3 something. Around 4. And of course on Depot, Lowe's, all carry this. Okay, let me keep on my project. But anyway, I'm surprised actually it's doing a pretty good job, this one. The Black Max. It's called Black Max, so it's called Alka Bright. Not bad, considering. Okay, and that's my favorite cleaner for the lime project. I'm pretty much done. The lime away did this job. You can see it's only after 1 treatment. Sometimes I had to repeat it 2 times to get everything out. and I use just Windex after, for make it look better. But saying 95% of the stuff is gone. Just a little more spots here and there, but probably can get it with the Windex. I might, let me see how it is, but it looks good to me. So a single treatment with lime away and Windex to finish it up, and we are done. I got, even the door was horrible. You can barely see it. I got to, use the Windex. Yes, I didn't do it, but you can see, remember how much stuff there was on it. This one I need to use the Windex also, but I just finished it so far with the same for the accessories. That's pretty much how the lime away did it. I just need to polish them, that's it, but a big difference. Okay, thank you for watching. This is Ingenious Giacomo, and please thumbs up and subscribe. The same also for the tiles, by the way, a big improvement there also.